Hey guys, today in the kitchen we're going to be making some tacos. So we're going to be using carne asada and we're going to be using some cheeses and seasonings. So let's get started. Okay, so now we have our carne asada for the tacos and we're just going to season them with some garlic salt. And we got some salt and pepper over there as well just in case we need that. So we're just going to give it a good amount of seasoning on both sides. Okay. So now that we got the tacos prepared, we got corn tortillas, but you can use flour or even hard shell if you want. But we're just gonna take the cooked meat and we're gonna distribute it basically as evenly as we can among every taco. And then now we got some cheese too, so we're just gonna sprinkle it along each taco, just enough to be noticeable. And then the last thing is that we got some extra cilantro and some diced onions. So we're going to just, it doesn't have to be a lot, let's just spread them along each taco so that you have a little bit in there. Okay, so now we're pretty much done. Okay, so now we're going to take this mix to make an avocado crema, and it's including some avocados, jalapeños, and cilantro. So we're just gonna take everything that we have here, put it inside of the blender, and then we're gonna take it over here and mix it. So now that we have this all blended, we're gonna add some sour cream and some salt just to neutralize the flavor a little bit. So we'll add just about a dollop like that. Add a little bit on the side, but we're gonna add some salt as well. And then we're gonna blend that a little bit more.